In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events in Google Calendar if you want to stay organized, keep track of appointments, or plan meetings more efficiently. Creating events in Google Calendar is one of the easiest habits to build. The good news is that the process is very simple, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. To get started, open Google Calendar and look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the colorful Create button with a plus sign on it. Click that button to begin making a new event. There's also a faster option if you already know when the event should happen. You can click directly on an empty time block in the calendar grid, and that will open the event window right where you need it. Both methods work, so you can use whichever feels more convenient. Once the event box appears, start by typing a title for your event. Make the title clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later at a glance. This is especially helpful if your calendar gets busy. Next, set the exact date, along with the start time and end time. Be careful to choose the correct time range so your schedule stays accurate. If the event doesn't need a specific time, you can check the option for an all-day event instead. That works well for reminders, holidays, deadlines, or anything that lasts the full day without a scheduled hour. If you need to add more information, click More Options. This gives you access to extra details that can make the event much more useful. For example, you can add a physical location if the event is happening somewhere specific. You can include a description to note important details, instructions, or an agenda. You can also attach files if you want relevant documents connected to the event. And if other people need to attend, you can invite guests by email so the event can be shared with them directly. Just make sure any information you add is accurate before saving. When everything looks good, click the Save button at the top or bottom of the window. Your event will then appear on your calendar in the selected date and time slot. That's all it takes to create an event in Google Calendar. With just a few clicks, you can add appointments, meetings, personal plans, or reminders, and keep your schedule neatly organized. Once you get comfortable with this process, managing your calendar becomes much faster and easier.